Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your file smaller so that you can send it on Discord, or how you can make your file smaller for Discord. In this case you have to go to here, file shortened, this one, and you will find one file compressor, the first one. Click on this. You will find many websites like this. So if you want to compress a video, go to here, compress a video, choose your file from your computer. So now you can see this file is this file is almost 10 MB. Let's compress it. Okay, it's starting. Hold on. The shortening, almost done. Okay guys, the file is 10 MB. Now I'm making this file within this 2 MB or 3 MB. Let's try it. Start this. Okay, you can see here the file is completed. It has been 2 MB from 10 MB. The file was 10 MB and it is now compressed to 2 MB. So guys, you can download this from here. Let's download it. Now download the file and let's check the file quality. Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, quality somehow drops because you have compressed it, but if you did it 5 MB half, then it can be keep the quality. Okay guys, so this is how you can shorten file and you can send it to directly in Discord. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this thing. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.